Hey y'all. Okay, I don't know where I'm supposed to put this. Let me see. Hold on. I hope this ain't super blurry. But I got in and out. So y'all know I can't eat too much due to having had my surgery. But oops, I just dropped something. But I'm gonna do my version of a mukbang. So I got a single animal style burger with animal style fries that are up there. And I got a drink, but I can't drink and eat at the same time. So it's kind of bright. I don't know if that helps a little. Yeah, that helped a little bit. So, let me bless my food. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Amen. Time to eat. Mm. You cannot go wrong with animal style. I brought my husband and his best friend some food. Um, and got us some food. So we haven't eaten since this morning. And it's like pretty much 3 o'clock. So we went animal style on everything. And then after this, don't mind my hair, y'all. After this, we're going grocery shopping. I got to pick up my sister, but we're gonna go grocery shopping. hmm We're gonna go grocery shopping for the rest of our Thanksgiving stuff because I got to start cooking tonight, making the desserts and stuff. Y'all, I know my mukbangs ain't really gonna be worth much because I can't eat a lot. But bruh, I give you what I can. This is so good. I don't know why people say that they don't like In and Out, or for my Texas people, I know this is gonna cause some commotion, but they say that Whataburger is better. Not at all. I'm not a Whataburger fan. I don't like Whataburger's fries. I don't like their food. I mean, the only thing I really eat from there is their patty melt. You like Whataburger fries? They're nasty.
They're not. Maybe to you they are, but
Well, that's why I'm giving my opinion.
I was just saying.
So Whataburger is nasty. I used to get their breakfast on a bun, um, and the cinnamon rolls until I realized those are like the store bought um cinnamon rolls, and they just heat them up.
They
And
ate
then,
more dollars than theirs.
huh?
The Uncle Jim and Dad, they ate more Russian rolls than we did.
No, that's not what I'm talking about though.
You just said cinnamon rolls, so I thought you were talking about those.
No, I said Whataburger cinnamon rolls are from the store, and then Whataburger just heats them up. Y'all hear that Christmas music playing already? So we're sitting outside of my husband's job because we just brought them their lunch, and then I was like, nah, we gonna eat in the car. Even though we don't really eat in my car. I don't like eating in my car, but we're gonna eat in the car now and get it out the way because our food was already getting cold. And then do what we need to do for the rest of the day. And tonight for dinner, I'm making spaghetti. You guys, I got my contract for um the next round of surrogacy. I just seen that like 30 minutes ago. So that's awesome. I'm excited about that. Can't wait to do it. I had to wait until some things happen, which I won't talk about in this mukbang, but I had to wait till some things happen in order to get the process rolling. So now that they've started, the process is rolling. So I'm super excited about that. Um, have you guys ever had In-N-Out? Move that. So what you guys doing? How you guys doing? I know it's been a long time since I've recorded anything. I haven't really been consistent, and I apologize. But there's been so much going on, and then like with my work schedule, I don't ever have time to like record. So now my new work schedule should be a little bit better, where I'll be able to, post things and have new content and things like that. Um, what else? If you guys are new, like, comment, should subscribe,
Fail.
share.
You failed. I'm just saying that you failed.
And this will be unedited, so I don't care.
Until I touch it.
No, I'm not
Yes.
editing.
I.
I'm about to slap him. I'm not editing this video. It's raw and it's real and it is what it is. So, like I was saying, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm trying to get better at posting content. I couldn't even find the record button just a minute ago. They've changed so much on here. But especially since this surrogacy journey is about to start, I'm really looking forward to recording it because last time, for whatever reason, YouTube would not let me record past like 30 seconds. So now I'm able to actually record. So now I'll be able to provide you guys with more content and like keep you guys updated on the journey and let you guys go through it with me and all that stuff. Um, I had the baby. Tomorrow will be 5 months ago, or tomorrow will make 5 months that I had the baby. Let's put it that way. He's doing good. He's back with his family. He's been back with his family for at least the last 2.5 months, I think. Or almost 2 months. He's back in China, or I shouldn't say back. He's in China now. So that's a good thing. I have hiccups. This is a thick. They gave me like 6 tomatoes. That part wasn't necessary. It's right there. Excuse his arm. But hey, I only got a little piece of burger patty left. Yeah, it's like all bread and tomato and stuff.
Probably because all the meat pushed up.
Should have let you have this burger.
To dick.
Y'all ever want to fight your kids?
Maybe a lot of parents do.
Wait till you have some. You're gonna be ready to beat your kids too. What? You're going to jail.
It'll be worth it.
You got food all over your
I
clothes.
know that's why I'm about to get a napkin.
He's 13 almost and don't know how to eat. Eats like he's 3 months.
Don't judge me, Mom.
I'm judging.
Stop judging me.
Nope.
Because you're not a kid.
I don't want to be a kid for that reason. Because I don't got to listen to nobody.
What's wrong?
That's right. You still got onions and stuff all over your clothes.
I see those.
You keep moving and I'm trying to get it out of my seat. Okay, you guys, I'm extremely full. Oh my gosh. I can't eat anymore. I'm stuffed.
Thanks.
My stomach hurts now. Like, I felt sick. Because in all honesty, I'm not really supposed to be eating that stuff. But I was hungry. And I wanted something to eat. Ooh, there ain't no burger patty in there. Like, I'm sitting here, like, rubbing my stomach out. Like, oof. The thought. So, anyways, I'm going to go home until my sister says she's ready. Hopefully, it's not too late because my husband's off work at 5:30 and I got to pick him up. But, yeah. Yeah, I didn't even do my hair. It was already up in a little bun thing from when I was in the shower, and I just took it and rolled with it. So, we're about to get on the road. And, yeah, I thought she was trying to turn in here. So, you guys, we're gonna, it's probably hard to see me. We're gonna get on this road, and we're gonna come home. And then, a little bit later, but, you guys, I have hiccups because I'm so full. Like, I feel like I pushed it. So, I feel like blah. Like, blah, blah, blah. I don't say blah, blah, blah. Anyways, you guys.
What was that for?
You never heard your daddy say that? Exactly. You're so welcome. I wish I had a flat stomach. That's what I need to do, you guys. I need to, like, start working out because it's ridiculous. The amount of... I haven't really gained a lot of weight during quarantine, but I just ain't worked out either. And This body is not looking too sexy. And my birthday's coming up next week. Shut up, Jordan. My birthday's coming up next week, so my goal was to look good after having this baby and then, you know, keep it pushing, but epic fail. I mean, I don't look bad for having had a baby not too long ago, but I am not popping anymore. So, we gotta get on the popping train, y'all. Oh my gosh, all these booms. It's not even really bumpy. I think it's just because the road is like, the paved road is brick, so maybe that's what it is. Um, yeah. So, anyways, that was my little bit of a mukbang. Now it's like a vlog in a sense, but you guys, look, after having the baby, my edges fell out, so they're just now starting to grow back. It's ridiculous. Anyways, you guys, I just wanted to post something real quick since I hadn't said anything in a long time. It's a beautiful day out. It's 70 degrees on November 24th of 2020. So imagine that. But this is Arizona, so that probably makes more sense. Oh, is that better? Anyways, I'll do another vlog later when I'm cooking so you guys can see how I make what I'm making for Thanksgiving. I thought he was singing. Okay, you guys. Bye.